We are at the Brookhaven Logistics Center, a wildflower project. Resurfacing this concrete slab with Basscrete. A lot of imperfections, a lot of issues with the slab. It's brand new. We're doing full mesh. You can see here, we've got coat was done yesterday. Using every mechanical means possible to accelerate the curing. We've got heater, blower, and the guys rolling out the mesh right here. Obviously you can see here, base coat goes down, the mesh is rolled out, and now immediately we're hitting it with another nice wet coat of Basscrete over the top of the mesh. Thank you.
El trapo que te di ayer.
See mesh still visible, but we've got good coverage over the top. Got a nice base coat for the mesh to
Agarra
go
el con
into.
cuidado, sin estirarlo mucho, y verlo jalando. Mira, písale aquí. Písale aquí.